Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This is a Panasonic vacuum cleaner. Customer has given me for repairing. They said it's burning smell. So it's burning smell. So let's see actually what is the problem now. So actually it's burning smell from motor. So in this case motor need to change. So there are screws. Just remove the screws. There are 4 screws. Then this is the motor. This is the motor. Actually from this motor is smelling, and if you repair it, it's not long lasting. So that's why all the best is just change the motor. And viewers, I have new motor. This new motor, you need this cover. You have to fix it back, this cover. Yeah. And this also, it's not same. Actually viewers, it's not same the back plastic, so I have cut little bit. So now it will go inside. So now hopefully it will work fine. So the viewers, I'll fix there properly, then we will be back. So dear viewers, I fixed all the screws also and motor also. This is the old motor, and inshallah it will work fine. So let's see. So dear viewers, alhamdulillah, it's now working fine. So it was problem only motor, so it's really very easy to change it. Thank you dear viewers for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.